Hello, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to seasonally adjust macroeconomic time series using JDemetra Plus, the software officially recommended by Eurostat. JDemetra Plus is an open source software and can be downloaded from GitHub. It runs on every platform compatible with Java. As you can see, the JDemetra Plus workspace is divided into two parts: providers, where the user can add to the raw data, and workspace, where the user can specify the conditions for seasonal adjustment. Let us import some raw data. In order to do this, prepare your data in a spreadsheet file that looks like this. On the first column, put the date in the following format: day, month, year. Starting with the second column, put the values for each series. In order to import the data, just drag and drop your file under the spreadsheet section. There you go, all your sheets are here, safely imported. If you double click on a series, the graph appears. This is the quarterly total gross value added for Romania in constant prices 2000. If you want this Excel file to be available next time you open this workspace, you must add a star to it, just like this. As you already know, seasonal adjustment is not required where there is no seasonality present. Therefore, you should always check for seasonality. In order to do this, JDemetra Plus offers a very easy to use tool. Now just drag your series from the providers to the seasonality test window. And there you go. The program displays the result for several seasonality tests. The autocorrelation at seasonal lags is used more frequently. As you can see, all the results are displayed in a very friendly manner. Here, this time series has a seasonality present, as all the results for all tests show in green. Most seasonal adjustment methods and software estimate the seasonal component using linear procedures and filters, ARIMA models, moving averages, regression analysis. This is also the case of JDemetra Plus. Such models are sensitive to outliers and calendar modeling. Thus, a pretreatment is needed. First, you must perform a calendar adjustment to your data. The aim of calendar adjustment is to obtain a seasonally adjusted series whose values are independent of the length and composition in days, number of Mondays, Tuesdays, and so on, or number of working days and weekend days of a month or quarter. In JDemetra Plus, you can easily specify your calendar. Go to Workspace, Utilities, Calendars. A default calendar is already set. In order to add your own calendar, right-click Calendar, Add Calendar, National. I'm going to name this calendar Romania. Next, I'm going to specify the legal holidays in Romania. As you can see, there are several types of days that can be specified in this section: fixed, Easter related, fixed week, and first I'm going to add fix the days starting with January 1st. Next, in order to add January 2nd, just add January 1st once more, and in the day field put 2 and hit enter. Now I'm going to add January 24th, but please note that this day became a legal holiday in October 2006, so I'm going to enter 2006, then 07 in the start field and hit enter. Next, I'm going to add August 15, which became a legal holiday in 2008. November 30, which became a legal holiday also in 2008. And December 1st. Next, I'm going to add some special days, holidays with a wider impact on time series, like the first day of Christmas. In order to add the second day of Christmas, just add the first day of Christmas once more. And in the offset field, put 1 and hit enter. Also, I'm going to add Easter, Easter Monday, and May Day. I'm going to add Whit Monday, that became a legal holiday in 2008. And in order to add Whit Sunday, just add Whit Monday once more. And in the offset field, put -1 and hit enter. Lubenia celebrates Easter taking into account the Julian calendar. Therefore, the box Julian Easter must be marked. The second part of the pre-treatment is dealing with outliers. JDemetra Plus offers a very easy to use tool for outlier check. Take your series from the provider window, drop the data, hit the green button, and there you go. JDemetra Plus displays all the outliers in a series. Here we have a level shift outlier in 2009. The user must note that dealing with outliers can be very problematic. Usually, the automatic procedures built in JDemetra Plus is enough to solve such issues. In order to seasonally adjust your raw data, you must choose a statistical package. JDemetra Plus provides predefined specifications for Tramo seeds and X13 in the workspace window. The user can customize these specifications at his own will. In order to demonstrate this, first I'm going to clone the RSA full, the most complex specification in Tramoseeds. Next, just click and open it. You can edit the series span. Expand the series span from type, choose from, and type, for example, 2011 0101. With regard to calendar, you can add your national calendar. Expand calendar, trading days, from options choose holidays, and from holidays choose Romania. Now expand Easter and check Julian Easter. You can also specify the ARIMA model. Just uncheck the automatic box and you can specify the autoregressive, moving average, and differencing orders. If you choose the automatic procedure, the program will find the ARIMA model for you. There are also several options for the decomposition part. Moreover, you can choose benchmarking. This means that the procedure ensures consistency over the year between adjusted and non-seasonally adjusted data. Click OK. In order to actually produce the seasonally adjusted series, JDemetra Plus offers two possibilities. Using the statistical methods, seasonal adjustment, single analysis, one can seasonally adjust one time series. Using statistical methods, seasonal adjustment, multiprocessing, new, one can seasonally adjust several time series with just one click. I'm going to use the multiprocessing. I'm going to select my specification here. I'm going to drop the data from the provider's window and hit the green button. I have a time series that has been seasonally adjusted from the first quarter 2011 to the third quarter 2016. The overall diagnostics shows a good quality of the seasonally adjusted data. Moreover, the main results are all displayed in greens. If you expand the diagnostic session, you will observe that the program offers several important diagnostic tools. For example, you have seasonality tests, for the regular component, as well as the residuals. Also, one should note that JDemetra Plus offers two possibilities for seasonal adjustment considering revision policy. Concurrent adjustment, the model, filters, outliers, regression parameters are re-identified and the respective parameters and factors estimated every time new or revised data become available. And right-click on concurrent, refresh, partial concurrent adjustment, current adjustment. Hit OK. Now the model filters, outliers and regression parameters are re-identified and the respective parameters and factors re-estimated at appropriately set review periods. You can now save the workspace for later using File, Save Workspace As, Thank you for listening. You can download JDemetra Plus directly from GitHub and visit our website for latest documentation. For any questions, please contact us at helpdesk or visit us on Twitter.